Space in Espanol. Space in Espanol is space. Okay. Cool. So lovely.
Hey! Shows my
Bro just teleported.
Oh, I can do that?
Okay. Let's go.
What do I do?
Go to mark. Get set. Good. He's gonna super nude! Oh, really hard on the knees. Lovely mountains in the background and what? English, please. You don't know Spanish, okay? Had to speak loud enough. Whoa! Wait, if I go backwards, go like this. Wait, if it does again. Do it again. Do it again. Oh, come on. It's gonna go. How's it gonna go? Silence! That's one tiny house right there. What's up? What's up? Stop pushing me. Short and stout. Here is my handle. Here is my spout. Why you don't like to singing, do ya? Huh? Why you walking away for? What you doing? That's so rude. That's so rude. anybody home? What did that go in there for? Wait, what? What did it go in there for?
Are those teeth?
Boss fight? Was this like a boss fight or something?
Minions, tonight we steal the moon.
I just want to drop it in. What is this? Is that a boss fight? Oh, is it on? So confused. Like, physics in the game are crazy. What do? Like, send them off the bed or something? Or like, we're going to the moon later? What do I go past this giant? Oh, wait. Oh, shucks. Look, like, what do I do now? What do I do? They don't even see it. There's a bar. Huh? What? Why is there a bar up here though? Look like, oh, that was weird. Because I was using my keys when walking into that. What do I do? Do I go back there? Nope. I don't go back there. What if I fall again? Like, push in? What do I do? Doesn't make any sense. Do this? What's this thing? Oh, I heard something. I heard it. I heard it. So, yeah, alright. Well, I don't think that light was on to begin with. And can I, like, stand on top? Oh, wait! If it can jump. Wait. I can't quite get the light. I can't jump on it. I can't jump though. That's the thing. I can't jump on that. Do I grab one? Was that clicking? Oblivious! No, nothing. I'm hearing something. I'm spamming E. Maybe I'm supposed to make them make stairs out of them or something. Go. Start from over here. Yeah, look, they're making little stairs. They making stairs. The thing is, okay, what is this bar though? What do you do? See now, watch when I go right. And like, I don't get it. If I click away, does it still? No, I don't use it anymore. Bonk.
So, yeah, well, I can't interact with that anymore.
Connector.
Hello, how do you do? No.
Still nothing.
Expecto Patronum. Boom.
No, look at that. Oh, it was like
It was a boot. It was a boot.
Whoa, ooh, wait. What to do when they come for you, man? Huh? What was that? What was that gasp? What is this? What? A pot? Oh, okay. It's on. Cool. Lovely. That was weird. Wait, am I supposed to do the same thing? Mr. Grandpa. Am I supposed to, like, what? I don't get it! I can make it scarier. Cheesy crackers! Wait. Thought maybe I'm supposed to catch him or something. What if I just stand here? What? Wait. Where'd I go? No one will know. They're gonna. No one will know. No one will know. They're gonna know. Do I click the light? I'm gonna rapid fire. I don't. What is the purpose? What is the purpose of this? Yes, I'm just stalling, but I'm actually still trying to find what to do. Can I use this one? Okay. I can use the arrows. I was using WASD. Maybe if I do a little. You're coming with me. Whoopsies. You see, watch. So I'll go be right. Right, and I still can't jump though. Wait, what if I like? No. wait. I have a good idea. Hold on. No, that's a good one. That's a good one. Strike. Spare. Sorry. But why? I can't. What do I do? Well, A. This is the game. Is you gotta like activate the voice, huh? Do something here.
Beans.
Okay. I put my volume up to the max. Hopefully, I can hear them falling now. No, I can hear what you guys can hear. It sounds terrible. Okay, if I found. Go up. No, Joe. Slow, map down. Okay, cool. He's done. That's great. That's just great. So, the slider means something. I just don't know exactly what. Was it like the longer, the faster they fall, the longer they stay? Nope. Yeah, see, look, I'm not moving it with me. And if I click on the screen, it doesn't move anymore. I press the keys. Is it this window? Look, the light's still on, okay? Can't get through to here anymore. Right, because I already pressed E. I can't actually do anything. So I'm going to restart. Okay, so the light was on to begin with. Is someone doing the dishes? Guessing it's a